Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael, and do you have a recipe or do you want to make a cocktail that requires simple syrup? There is no need to buy that. You can definitely get it in the store. If you go to where you get your adult beverages in the store there, you can definitely pick that up there. But you can make it at home because I am sure you have all the ingredients that you need to make simple syrup at home. So what we're going to do is I've got a pan here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on high. Now that we've got that turned on, we want equal parts of water and sugar. So I've got a half a cup of water. I'll add that into my pan. And I've got a half a cup of sugar, and we'll add that in. Now you can make as little or as much as this as you need, and we'll definitely, if you're going to be needing a lot of it for whatever you're going to be using it for, then make as much as you need. Or if you want to make it up for a day ahead of time, you can definitely do that. Put it into a decanter, and you can store it in the decanter in your refrigerator. So we want to bring this up, not quite to a boil, but just where it's getting ready to boil. As the temperature of this water starts coming up, you can start seeing that the sugar is dissolving into your water, and that is definitely what we want to do that. So it will kind of go from a little bit of a cloudy to a clear color. All right, as you can see here, we've got a few bubbles coming up into the bottom of the pan, and that's where I'm going to turn this off. You want to remove the pan from the heat now and just give that a good mix through and make sure that all of that sugar is dissolved. You can see that the sugar and the water went from a really cloudy color to a really clear color, and this is what we want. Now that you've got your simple syrup made, you definitely want to make sure this cools down before you put it into a cold container, because you could risk the chance of that cracking or shattering, and you definitely don't want that to happen. If you're going to be using it in a recipe, you can definitely go ahead and use it right now, but let it cool down if you're going to be storing it, and that way you can use it in the next day if you're not going to be using it right there. So just make as much as you need. It's that simple. If you need a couple of tablespoons, and put a couple of tablespoons of sugar with a couple of tablespoons of water, you've got your simple syrup. I hope you like this content, and if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of the other two videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever made simple syrup before. I'd love to hear from you. And if you've never made it before, I definitely want to know what you think about this easy recipe. Bye-bye now.